Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial on my channel. Today, we're tackling how to add money from Cash App to PayPal in 2025. With the latest updates, managing your finances across apps has never been smoother, whether you're sending payments for gigs, shopping online, or splitting bills with friends. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure both your Cash App and PayPal accounts are fully set up and verified. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Think of it as buckling up for a smooth ride. In 2025, Cash App has enhanced its integration options, but remember, direct transfers between Cash App and PayPal aren't always available, so we'll use a reliable workaround via your linked bank account. Step 1. Open your Cash App and head to the Money tab at the bottom. Tap on your balance, then select Cash Out or Transfer to Bank. Choose the bank account that's connected to your PayPal. Step 2. If you haven't linked a bank yet, go to the Banking section in Cash App. Add and verify your bank account. It usually takes just a few minutes. Once that's done, initiate the transfer from Cash App to your bank, specifying the amount you want to move. Step 3. Now, switch over to your PayPal app or website. Go to Wallet or Add Money and select your verified bank account as the source. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Boom! Your funds should appear in your PayPal balance shortly. A few quick tips to keep things seamless. Watch out for any transfer fees, which might vary by bank or app. Aim to transfer during off-peak hours to minimize costs. Always double-check your accounts for security, and if you run into issues like delays, contact customer support for both apps. By 2025, many users report faster processing times, so this whole process should take less than 10 minutes. There you have it, easy peasy. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.